Freelancers need a bank account that not only manages money efficiently but also simplifies international transactions. Fidor Bank is one of the standout options, offering flexibility, digital convenience, and low fees that align with freelance work. Fidor Bank's accounts are fully online, eliminating the need for branch visits, which is perfect for freelancers constantly on the move. The account setup is fast, typically completed within a day, and you receive an IBAN and SEPA access immediately. One of the main advantages for freelancers is Fidor Bank's support for multiple currencies. You can send and receive payments in dollars, euros, or pounds, making it easy to handle international clients. Transfers between Fidor accounts are instant and free, while external SEPA transfers in euros are cost-effective, often around 50 cents per transaction. Receiving payments from international clients in dollars is straightforward, and the bank provides transparent exchange rates, avoiding hidden fees that often eat into freelance income. Fidor also integrates with popular financial tools and payment platforms, allowing freelancers to manage invoicing, track expenses, and even connect with services like PayPal or Wise seamlessly. This integration reduces the need for multiple accounts and simplifies cash flow management. The account also comes with a contactless MasterCard debit card, which can be used worldwide, enabling freelancers to access funds quickly wherever they are. Security is another highlight, with strong two-factor authentication and real-time notifications for every transaction, ensuring peace of mind for freelancers managing high-value projects. Fidor Bank also offers community-driven insights and advice, helping freelancers optimize their financial strategy. With no hidden maintenance fees and competitive exchange rates, this account is designed to keep more money in your pocket while providing flexibility, convenience, and security. For freelancers seeking a reliable, fully digital banking solution, the Fidor Bank account stands out as a smart, cost-effective choice, perfectly suited for managing global freelance income.